Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Caribbean style ginger beer. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the ginger I'm going to use. This is 2 pounds of ginger and this is the organic ginger. It's more better to use to make the ginger beer more stronger. So here I have 12 cloves, 2 cups of sugar, I have 3 pieces of cinnamon stick, I have a piece of dry orange peel. I'm going to use the juice of 3 limes. To serve the ginger beer, I'm going to use some ice and some sparkling water. So stick around to the end. Now I'm going to wash the ginger, but I'm going to allow it to soak in the water for 15 minutes before I wash it. So all of the excess dirt and stuff would get softened up. Now 15 minutes already gone. I'm just going to change this water now. So I'm pour out this one. Now I'm just going to break them in pieces to get to scrub the joints. So I'm not going to peel the ginger. All I'm going to do is just brush them. See? Get off the excess dirt. Just like this. So just like the dirt like this, the brush is out. So you don't need to spend time to peel the ginger, okay? We just need to scrub them off, and remember, we're going to boil it, okay? So you don't need to go crazy. We're going to boil it and strain it off. Going to rinse them off one more time. So this is the pot I'm going to boil the ginger in. I'm going to add 8 cups of water. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8. Now I'm going to turn on the stove. I'm going to add cloves, cinnamon stick, and orange peel. Now I'm going to allow it to come to a boil. Meanwhile it coming to a boil, I'm going to finish to prep the ginger. So I'm going to blend the ginger, but before I blend it, I'm going to cut it up. That's the blender could blend it more smoothly. So just going to cut it just like this. And you don't have to cut them in a specific way, okay? I'm telling you, to blend it, it saves yourself a lot of time in the kitchen, okay? It's more easier to blend. To grate it take a long time. This way saves you a lot of time, okay? It's more faster. So this is it. I'm just going to blend it now. It took me less than 3 minutes to cut all of this. If I should grate this, I'm going to take a whole 2-3 hours. So now just going to blend it now. Here I'm going to use my food processor blender to blend the ginger. Remember, you can use any type of blender to blend it, or you could use a grater. So to the food processor blender, I'm going to add the ginger. Now I'm going to close it. Easy as that, my people. See? Just going to scrape it in this bowl. Yeah, this ginger is so strong. Now I'm going to continue with the rest. Close it. Alright, that's it again. Just like that, my people. You don't need grater. It's not everybody could use grater, okay? Especially the ladies them who have nails. Alright, going to go over to the stove now. Okay, my people, now the water boiling, I'm going to add the ginger in it, okay? This ginger beer going to very strong. I'll give it a stir. Okay, my people, so now we come to a fully boil. I'm going to add the sugar, and remember this is 2 cups of sugar. Going to stir. After 15 minutes, I'm going to turn off the stove and allow it to cool down on the stove overnight. Okay, so it's 15 minutes since the ginger boiling on the stove. I'm going to turn it off now. I'm going to cover it up and allow it to cool down on the stove overnight. So if you boil it in the morning, you could always leave it on the stove to cool down and strain it in the evening. But now since I'm doing it in the evening, I'm going to strain it in the morning. Alright, so it already cooled down. This is how it look. After next day, now I just need to strain it off. Okay, now I'm going to strain it off. Just like this. I'm going to strain it twice. So I just have to squeeze it out with my hand. Oh, this ginger is so strong, my people. Now I need to strain it one more time. So this time I'm going to use 2 strainer together. Just going to pour this. Alright, now I'm going to add the lime to it. Now I'm just going to mix it. That is it. Now I'm going to pour some in this craft backer. So this is very strong, my people. So that is it. No more than that. Now I'm going to add this sparkling water to the craft. You see the bubbles already? And remember, we add sugar earlier. So here you have it, homemade ginger beer. Now to my glass, I'm going to add ice. So time to pour me a glass. Cheers to my homemade ginger beer. This is so strong, my people. Wow. And it don't need no more sugar. The sugar is balanced. It's not too sweet and it's not too fresh. Perfect amount. Thank you so much to watch this video to the end. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipes to share with you all. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.